Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are doing another Boxycharm unboxing video. And today's video is going to be a little bit different just because this is my first Boxycharm 2.0 and this is for the month of November. And as you can see, it is huge, guys. Like, oh my gosh. The old Boxycharm was like half this size, so this is pretty cool. We're gonna go ahead and open this. So this month's theme is Boxycharm Stellar. First thing in the box that I'm going to do are these Tula Skincare Probiotics and Superfoods Star Bright Nourishing and Brightening Cosmic Hydrogel Mask. And I'm like really excited that they put Tula in here because Tula is an upcoming brand. So they gave me 2 of these masks. It says clean skin, zero irritation. Our acne gel contains 2% salicylic acid to clear up acne, prevent breakouts, and brighten marks left by past acne. And this retails for $22. And this is actually up my alley because I do have acne and I do have scarring, if you can't see here. So I know like one mask won't deal with that, but we are just gonna see how my skin feels after.
Get ready for out of this world skin. Probiotics help calm the look of inflammation and aid in moisture retention. Grapefruit, antioxidants, and superfood that brightens the appearance of skin. Go to cola, an herb that conditions the skin and helps improve the look of elasticity. And chamomile calms, soothes, and helps relieve the look of redness.
All of those were the probiotics and superfoods that are in this mask. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this mask and use it. Ooh, it is actually very gel-like, which I am very intrigued. Feels so slimy. Okay. Oh, so it comes in 2 halves, which I've never seen before. So we're gonna just peel this off, and this one, oh my god. Ooh, this is really cool, and I actually really like this because the consistency and the texture of the mask is actually gel-like. It's almost like slipping from my hands, and it has stars on it if you can see them. Wow. Oh my god, I love face masks. These literally feel so good. I feel so refreshed already. Oh, like the gel on this mask feels so good, guys. All right, set my timer. So I will be right back after 10 minutes. So yeah. My skin feels so refreshed. I'm just gonna pat out all the excess here. So I really do like this mask, and hopefully if I use it a second time, or maybe even by tonight, this little pimple will go away, but we'll see. So I'm gonna go on to the next thing in the box, and this is the Kypress Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. And this actually retails for $90, so that is a lot. And this is a full-size product. It says it's made for skin desiring a kiss of hydration. This looks so luxurious, guys. It's in a glass bottle. I love the blue. And I'm just gonna use a little bit just because my skin already feels so hydrated that I feel like my makeup might slip off. I feel like, honestly, 2 drops is probably enough. It smells good. It smells like, I can't really describe the scent, and this actually feels a little bit heavy. It has kind of like a chemically but also like fruity, a hint of like fruit scent. I can't really describe it. Maybe like plants or like a flower. It feels a little bit heavy, so I'm glad I only used a little bit, and that also might be because of the mask as well, that my skin feels just extra hydrated. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and use a mattifying primer just to tone this down a little bit, but my skin feels so nice, guys. It feels so rejuvenated. I love it. I did get a blister pack of the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. These actually look so dark for me. Maybe Driftwood. I'm just gonna swatch them on my chest. Comfortable, natural second skin finish that lasts all day and night. Sounds promising. I don't know if this is gonna be enough product for like my whole face, but we will see. It's literally just a swatch. This is Driftwood on my chest. I feel like that's a little bit too dark for me. I'll just swatch the other ones just to do it for you. This one is Olive, and I feel like these might be my shades for, this is way too dark. These might be my shades for summer. We are in winter, honey, and this ain't gonna cut it. If we were in summer right now, I think Driftwood would maybe be my color. And the darkest one that I will swatch for you today is Bamboo. That is way too dark. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rest of my makeup, and I will go on to use the rest of the products, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I'm finished with my makeup, so let's go on to the next things in the box. Boxycharm 2-piece brush set, handcrafted, synthetic, and cruelty-free. And these retail for $35. There are 2 brushes here. I don't really use these kinds of brushes. I think I'm just gonna use this one for this cream powder that I have. So it seems to pick up the powder well. With a regular powder brush, I can't even tell if I'm picking up product. It's so fluffy that you can't really tell, but I think this is actually really good for cream products. I can definitely see the powder foundation because of this brush, and I think it does pick up a lot of product. I think I'll use this bigger one to bronze. I don't have a cream bronzer, I'm just gonna use a regular bronzer. And of course I'm gonna use my Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula and just dip a little bit on it. I don't know how this is gonna go. It looks like I went too heavy-handed on the bronzer on my forehead. I'm just gonna go ahead and use a regular brush. I do not like this. I'm gonna go ahead and fix this with a regular fluffy blush brush. Yeah, I like this side better already because it just looks so natural and not like I was heavy-handed. That's a no for me, guys. Let's go ahead and do the next thing in the box. I was actually really excited for this. This is the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette, and this retails for $35. And the shades are right up my alley. They're super colorful and they have a nice variety of different colors, so I'm excited to use these. So I'm gonna go ahead and create a look with this, and let's get to it.
Slide into your mind so silky. Up under the down we fly. Clean it up just to make it filthy. Under the sheets all night. Under the sheets all night. Under the sheets all night. It's 3 a.m. I got your call. I know you've been in need of inspiration, but know your time, trying to control. Eventually gonna need some liberation. I cross your mind once in a while. Okay, you have a wild imagination.
Alrighty guys, so this is my completed look. I do like it. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face. But I do just want to note that I tried to use a lot of the colors. I used these 5, and out of all of them, I just didn't like Eternal Light, just because it's one of those shimmer shades that is not really opaque at all. It looks good as a highlighting shade on my brow bone. and it looks okay on my inner corners. I just prefer a shade that is a little bit more opaque, and it kind of seems like it's just gonna be like a shade topper or a glitter topper. But other than that, I do like the palette. I'm gonna take out the last product in the box, and it's the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Highlighter, and I was really excited for this because I know about Champagne Pop, and that was one of the options that we could have received, but unfortunately I got Vanilla Quartz, but that's okay. Like, I'm super glad that I still got this product at all. Looks like this, and this is so white. I'm gonna swatch it on my hand for you. It's so a bit more, and it looks like that. I'm gonna go ahead and just apply this Becca highlighter all over my face here. Ooh, yes, this is the kind of highlight that I live for. It kind of has like a pink tint to it, which I'm loving. Yes, this definitely gives me that intense glow that I like. And this retails for $38, so I'm super happy that we got this in the box. So yeah guys, that is pretty much all I have for you. So the total of the box is going to be $222, which I think is a really good price considering you only pay $25, and last time I think the box was worth $140 something with paying $21. So that's a big bang for your buck as well. So final thoughts, I do like the eyeshadow palette. If you're into color like me, then this palette is gonna be right up your alley. The Kypris serum I did like. I think it's gonna be perfect for the winter, and I personally would only use just like a little bit on my skin, probably just at night. But I think it's a really good hydrator for your skin. And the fact that it's like almost $100, that's awesome that we got that in the box this month. And the Becca highlighter, even though I didn't get Champagne Pop, which is the cult favorite that I've been wanting for so long, I am not mad that I got Vanilla Quartz because it just is so pretty. I think any Becca highlighter is beautiful, so I'm just super happy that we got that at all. And I did really like the Tula mask. It was my first actually hydrogel mask that I've ever used. A lot of my masks are usually the sheet masks, and it was really cool to get a Tula product. Tula is a brand that is really up and coming in the skincare world. I think my favorite products that I got was probably the highlighter and the Tula masks. I didn't really care for the Boxycharm brush set, so yeah, I was a little bit disappointed in that, but everything else I really liked. So I think even though the box went up $5 more, I think I'll still be subscribing because I think it is worth it. So yeah, I do think that Boxycharm 2.0 lived up to its hype. That is all that I have. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I will see you in my next one.